blessed Sunday to everyone. Welcome to Pananaw Moments, where we reflect on the Sunday Gospels. Our spiritual journey's stories is similar to the story that we witnessed in today's Gospel, the story of the Magi. Madalas tayong nakakaranas ng mga paghihirap at unos ng pumipigil sa atin na mapagtuloy sa buhay. Minsan tayo'y nawawala. Minsan naman, wala tayong ibang magawa kundi ang tumigil na lang. But have we realized that in front of us, there is a shining and bright light from the star? That star is none other than Jesus Himself. He will lead us to where God has destined us. He will make sure that we are still on the right and straight path. In short, He journeys with us. But most of the time, we do not feel His presence. It is not because He stopped journeying with us or abandoned us, but because we failed to recognize Him. Or worse, we chose not to acknowledge His presence, and instead, we look for other things we think that could bring us out from the pit we fell into. Ang ibig kong sabihin nito ay halimbawa, kapag tayo'y nakakaranas ng matinding problema sa buhay, imbis na tayo ay magdasal at dumulog sa Kanya, naghahanap tayo ng solusyon mula sa mundo. Kaya ang resulta, nawawalan tayo kaagad ng pag-asa dahil sa maling solusyon tayo kumakapit. Well, we could not be blamed totally by this, since the world has done so much in poisoning our minds into thinking that God does not hear our prayers. So we rely on our own strengths and in the world. My dear brothers and sisters, we must regain our faith in Christ. We may at times deny Him, but He will never deny us, for He cannot deny Himself. We may become unfaithful to Him, but He will remain faithful to us. He will never leave us. Realize that He is always with us, journeying with us, guiding us like the star that guided the Magi. Thank you for journeying with us. See you next Sunday for more Pananaw Moments.